All right, everybody. So today I swapped out my tires, put the rear in the front and the rear, and I'm about to make me some footboards. So I have a peg right here, but I'm gonna be putting this little thing that I just cut. I just used, my little angle grinder and all that stuff sitting right there. I'm gonna weld this tomorrow morning, right there. And then, of course, these pieces of wood are going to sit on top of it like that. So that's going to be kind of like up here like that. That's going to be badass. I'm going to paint one of them, probably the inside one black and leave the outside brown. And then stain it or something like that or whatever. I might just leave them how they are. It all depends, but it's going to work out. Constantly just upgrading the dopest e-bike home built ever. Oh, so dope. 3.5 years riding this 3.5 years. All right, you guys, stay tuned. All right, so I got that on there. I didn't record myself doing it, but I was just out here working. Boom. Oh, so unique. There we go, all painted. I think I might just leave it like this. Or just put one piece of wood across. Doesn't need two. We'll see. Right, she done now. Got my footboard right there. I didn't put no wood on it. It just look better with some metal tabs right there. The two, like bump and bump. Of course, I still have my peg to help support it. Man, this shit is dope. Man, that is the ending result. Deuces.